Hey guys, it's Sadie. I want to show you guys I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm like dyeing my eyebrows. That's what I have to do because this blonde hair doesn't really show up. It's not. Okay, so what I want to show you guys is this is very popular I've had this for years. This was $800, and this is very popular in the East. And this is an Ion Tech. And what it is an ionized alkaline water in a filter. So I filter the water, I ionize it, I alkalinize it, and then I have trace mineral drops. So we have filtered water, ionized, alkalized with trace minerals, and put that in there, just a couple drops because it's powerful stuff. It has everything from your trace minerals that you're not getting: selenium, phosphorus, molybdenum, zinc, vanadium, silicon, calcium, as well as a bunch of other trace minerals that you don't get because our food is so processed. Okay, so, and then I put it in that is the hydrogen water thing. So that was $800, and this was $200, and then I can make some tea out of it. So that's $1,000 cup of tea with the filtered water, the ionized water, the alkaline water, the trace minerals, and the hydrogen water with authentic green tea from Anaheim, California. Product of Sri Lanka, which are having some problems there. But bless them. I hope they have their tea and fix their problems over there, and go visit and tell them I sent you.